Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On my lids, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. For today's palette, I'm going to be using LA Girl Cosmetics Break Free Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the orange version. And as you can see, it has all these lovely warm tone eyeshadows, and you guys know that I love warm tones. Like if I'm going to do neutral, I love warm tones. I'm going to take this color called New Beginnings, and I'm just going to tap this in the inner corner of my lid below the crease, and I'm just going to kind of like start blending this out, just keeping it in the inner corner of my eye, not too far into the middle. And next I'm going to do the same thing on the outer portion of my eye, so just tapping it in and slowly blending it out on the outer corner of my eye, and kind of like leaving the middle part of my eye free of any eyeshadow. Next I'm going to take this color called Beauty, and I'm basically going to be doing the same thing, putting this on the inner and outer corners of my eyes. We're deepening up this look. This is definitely giving more of a deeper warm tone, and everything's blending really smoothly. I didn't struggle or have any problems with these shadows at all. Next I'm just taking a clean brush and kind of swooping it over the edges of my eyeshadow just to make sure that everything is nicely blended. Next I'm going to take this color called Strong, and I'm basically doing the same thing, deepening up this look on the inner and outer corners. I personally feel like they could have added like 2 more colors, like a black color for sure, and then an even deeper, rich, dark brown. My personal preference, because I definitely wanted to like bring this look a little bit deeper, but it's okay. Next, I'm going to take this color called Rise. I'm going to put this on the edges of the eyeshadow, so kind of like starting at the edge of where it's blended and then blending it up, and just adding a pop of color because this yellow is going to work really well with these warm tone browns. So again, just keeping this on the inner corner and the outer corner, keeping the middle free of any eyeshadow. And I'm just blending this out with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to take the color Queen, and this shimmer is going to be the center of attention, so it's going to be right in the middle of this look, and I'm just placing it on my lid dry first, and then I'm going to go back with some Fix Plus spray on it, and just to kind of like add more pigment and place it in the middle. Next, I'm going to go back in with New Beginnings. I'm going to do the bottom of my eyeshadow now, and honestly, since I didn't have the Anastasia eye base on for this part, obviously it's hard to even tell that I put this on because it's so close to my skin tone, but it was honestly pointless to put this on. So I would honestly go in with the next color, which is called Beauty, because Beauty actually kind of showed up more, being that you know, my concealer is darker than the eye base. So yeah, I'm taking the color called Beauty, and I'm going to deepen up this look. I'm adding this in the inner and outer corner of my eye at the bottom as well. So again, keeping the middle of my eye at the bottom clear of any eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to take the color Strong again, and I'm going to do the same thing, just deepening up the look on the corners, the inner and outer corner. I feel like this is probably like one of the most easiest looks like you can do. Super duper easy. It's kind of self-explanatory. I don't really feel like I have to go like super in depth for you guys, but yeah. So now I'm gonna take the color called Rise again, and I'm just going to add it right on the edges of the browns in the inner and outer corner of my eye, connecting the yellow at the top of the outer corner yellow as well, just to make sure that everything flows together. Next, I'm going to take Queen again, and I'm going to put this in the middle of my eye. Now I'm going to take these 2 colors called Dreamin and Hope, and mixing these 2 together, I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight. Next, I'm going to take We Makeup's eye pencil in the color Moonstone. I believe it's called Moonstone. But I'm just going to put this in my waterline, just to kind of like highlight that area. Now I'm gonna take Doll's Beauty lashes in the style Flynny. These lashes are super duper pretty, very nice for like neutral, soft glam looks if you don't want something too crazy. And yeah, this is the final look. I really loved how it came out. I would have loved some deeper colors in the palette to really make this color a smidge darker on the inner and outer corners, but it's definitely okay. I still love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you're new here, thank you so much. It means so much to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.